Hello friends, you are watching Universal TechnoCloud channel for everything. Today's topic, what is, and how to set Java path. What is Java? Java is a simple, secured and platform-independent programming language developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in 1990s, now owned by Oracle. Why do we set a Java path? If you save your Java program where Java is installed, it is not necessary to set a path. But if you are saving your file outside the Java directory, we need path, because to run Java program we use java.exe file and for compile Java code we use java.c.exe file. These all executable exe files are available in bin folder, so we set path up to bin folder. The operating system will look in this path for executable. Let's see. How to install Java. How to check Java path. How to set Java path. And how to execute Java program. How to install Java. In your browser, type JDK download or Java Oracle. Go to Java Software Oracle India, and click download Java. Select version, 32-bit or 64-bit. Accept agreement and click to download the exe file. How to check Java path. In command prompt window type, javac, click enter. If Java path is available, it will show all javac files. Javac means Java compiler. How to set Java path. By default Java will be installed in C drive, so go to C drive. Program files, Java, JDK 1.8, bin. Copy the link from bin, then right-click, My Computer, go to, Properties, click Enter. In Advanced System Settings, select, Environmental, Variables. In User Variables window, select, New. In New User Variable window, type, Variable name, equal to, path and variable value, equal to paste the copied path, and click Enter. How to execute Java program. Create a new folder, in any directory. Type your Java program, in Notepad and, save in your folder, by giving file name .java. Go to command prompt, select your folder, and type, javac, space, file name .java, click Enter. Second step, type, java, space, class name, click Enter, output, will be, displayed. In this example, file name, and, class name, both are same, hello. Now, let's see, practically, on computer, screen.